One of the first things to wear out on a convertible top is the latch receptacle that fits at the outer windshield pillar post. When that happens, you'll be happy you chose us for your premium reproduction source. I'm Dennis, and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1968 through 72 GM A-body convertible top latch receptacles. The latch receptacles fit at the outer windshield pillar post. This is the part where the hook on the top latch goes when you tighten down the top. All latches are manufactured from stamped aluminum out of case-hardened steel tooling. This ensures an accurate part every time. Receptacles also have the correct brushed finish and will be a show-quality replacement for your broken or missing top latch receptacles. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.